Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Argent wallet recovery settings in Guardians, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your Argent wallet recovery settings in Guardians, first, open the Argent app on your device. Log in using your current credentials. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the settings icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the settings icon to access the wallet settings menu. From the settings menu, find and select the recovery option. Here, you will see your current recovery settings and Guardian list. To add a new Guardian, tap on the Add Guardian button. You can choose a trusted contact from your phone's contacts or enter their Ethereum address directly. Follow the prompts to complete the Guardian addition process. To remove an existing Guardian, find their name on the list. Swipe left or select the Remove option next to their name. Confirm your decision to remove the Guardian when prompted. If you want to update your recovery settings, tap on the Edit button. Review and make the necessary changes to your recovery process. After updating your settings, ensure you save the changes by tapping the Save button. You may be asked to verify your identity using your recovery phrase or biometric authentication. Once confirmed, your updates will be applied. To exit, simply go back to the main dashboard. Ensure that you inform your new Guardians about their role in your recovery process. Finally, double-check that all saved recovery settings reflect your desired changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.